Good evening, ma'am.
Zero.
Ma'am, I got what is A, but how to get what is B?
So from where you got A? So the same way you have to find out the substitute the value of A in equation which you got as B. X cube minus 10x square plus ax plus b. So these are the factors x minus 1 and x minus 2. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. These are the zeros of this polynomial. So we have to substitute this value. So p of 1 is equal to 0. So what is p of 1? 1 cube minus 10 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b is equal to 0. 1 minus 10 plus a plus b is equal to 0. Minus 9 plus a plus b is equal to 0. A plus b is equal to 9.
Yeah.
This is equation 1. P of 2 is also 0. So what is P of 2? 2 cube minus 10 into 2 square plus a into 2 plus b is equal to 0. So this is 8 minus 40 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. Minus 32 plus 2a plus b is equal to 0. So 2a plus b is equal to 32. This you got. So find the value of b from this equation. B is equal to 9 minus a. And substitute this value of b here. 2a plus 9 minus a is equal to 32. 2a minus a is a plus 9 is equal to 32. A is equal to 32 minus 9. That is 23.
Yeah, I got A is equal to 23.
And then substitute in this equation. B is equal to 9 minus a.
Yeah.
So 9 minus 23. That is minus 14.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Ma'am, what I did is I didn't do 2A plus B is equal to 32. I did 2A plus B minus 32 is equal to A plus B minus 9.
You equated those values. Then you will
Yeah.
get again one more equation.
Yeah.
Okay. So because of that, you are not able to solve.
The same question, same type of doubt I had in another question, but I'll do it.
Now you can do it. Okay. Yes, Ganesh.
Ma'am, in 21st question.
21st question. Just now what I solved
Yes,
the same
ma'am.
way.
Yes, ma'am, I'm not getting the answer.
Answer you're not getting. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Amrita, you solved now? Exactly divisible by x plus 2 and x plus 3. So substitute the value of x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3. So substitute p of minus 2 is equal to 0. So minus 2, substitute minus 2 value, minus 2 to the power 4 plus a into minus 2 cube minus 7 into minus 2 square minus 8 into minus 2 plus b is equal to 0. So this is 16 minus 8a minus 2 square is 4. 4 sevens are 28 plus 16 plus b is equal to 0. So 16 plus 16, 32. Plus 32 minus 28 is plus 4. So minus 8a plus b plus 4 is equal to 0. So minus 8a plus b is equal to minus 4. So what is the value of b? B is equal to minus 4 plus 8a. This is the first equation. And now substitute the minus 3 value. P of minus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 3 to the power 4 plus a into minus 3 cube minus 7 into minus 3 square minus 8 into minus 3 plus b is equal to 0. 3 to the power 4, 81. Minus 3 cube, 27. Minus 27a. Minus 3 square is plus 9. Plus 9 into minus 7, minus 63. Plus 24 plus b is equal to 0. So minus 27a plus b. 81 minus 63 is 18. 18 plus 24 is 42.
42.
So plus 42 is equal to 0. So minus 27a plus b is equal to minus 42. Now substitute the value of b from this equation. Minus 27a minus 4 plus 8a is equal to minus 42. Minus 27 plus 8 is 19. Minus 19a is equal to minus 42 plus 4. That is minus 38. Minus 19a is equal to minus 38. So a is equal to minus 38 by minus 19. 19 twos are 38. So a is equal to 2. And substitute this value of a in this equation. B is equal to minus 4 plus 8a minus 4 plus 16. That is 12.
Ma'am, can you just solve after 14? Ma'am, can you just show how to solve answer 14? I got answer, but I checked twice. I didn't get the correct, which was in the
14th.
Yeah.
Ganesh, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Where you done mistake?
Ma'am, sign mistake.
Yeah, that's I know. Here, one sign mistake, the full question goes wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranjal, have you finished all the questions? Have you done it properly?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have done all ulta pulta. All addition subtraction gone. Vedant, what happened in 14th question? What's the problem?
I got a is equal to 8 by 3. And
what
here
is-
the answer is a is equal to 2.
So that means you have done some calculation mistake. That's it, minus 1. So you should get minus a. Let's check. Minus a plus 1 plus 2 plus 4a minus 9.
Ma'am, I need minus a minus 1.
Minus a plus 1. No.
Yeah.
Minus 1 square is plus 1. Every time you are doing this mistake. Every time you are doing minus 1 square is minus 1.
Yeah.
3-4 times you have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhijit, you have a class on only Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And from last more than a week, you were absent. The class 9th is going on now. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, any other doubt? Anyone else? Ankita, have you solved?
Yes, ma'am. I had it out in the 19th question.
19th question.
Yeah.
What happened? Calculation mistake again?
I think calculation. I'll just try doing it once again. And I had a doubt in 20th question, but you cleared it.
Yeah, right now I solved.
Yeah, that's it.
9th one, you can, 19th one, this is x minus 2 as a factor. That means substituting value of x is equal to 2, answer is 0.
Okay.
And then find out one relation, one equation you will get. And the second one, when x you substitute as 3, that is equated to 3 because remainder is 3.
Okay. Yeah.
8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 6 is equal to 0. 4a plus 2b plus 14. That side it will go minus 14. Divide everything with 2. 2a plus b is equal to minus 7. This is so b is equal to minus 7 minus 2a. This is equation 1. And then second one is p of 3. That is equal to 3. They have given leaves the remainder 3. So 3 cube plus a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6 is equal to 3. So 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6 is equal to 3. 9a plus 3b is equal to 3 minus 6 minus 27 minus 3 minus 31, right? 33 minus 3 minus 30, sorry, it is minus 30. 9a plus 3b is equal to minus 30. So divide everything with 3. So it will become 3a plus b is equal to minus 10. Now substitute the value of b here. 3a minus 7 minus 2a is equal to minus 10. 3a minus 2a is a, minus 7 is equal to minus 10. A is equal to minus 10 plus 7, which is minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. And B is equal to minus 7 minus 2A. Minus 7 minus 2 into minus 3. So minus 7 plus 6, which is equal to minus 1. This is the value of B.
Thank you. Ma'am, my tuition notebook is complete. So can I use another notebook, 100 pages notebook, king size, or should I use long?
If it is it possible to get the long, then yes.
Okay.
That is better always. Otherwise, you have to make many notebooks.
Yeah.
If it's possible right now,
Long,
then only. Just like it is a lockdown, so I'm not forcing you.
Okay.
Okay, so we have left with how many, which questions? 21st till 21st I told or 23rd I told?
23rd, ma'am.
23rd completed
23rd.
everywhere?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, next question says what must be added to a polynomial so that the result is exactly divisible by x minus 2? And the next question is what must be subtracted from a polynomial so that the result is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3? So in this case, there are two methods, but always do it better. That is long division method. So now tell me the simple question. I'm telling you. If it is this one, you are subtracting suppose 37. You are dividing 37 with 3. You know that is 37 is not divisible by 3. But I want a number which is completely divisible by 3. Suppose don't take 37, 373 you can take it, right? Now I don't know that is 373 is, I know that is 373 is not divisible by 3. Now I need to subtract something so that this polynomial, this number is completely divisible by 3. So what should be done? I want a number which is exactly divisible by 3.
Ma'am, after we do the division,
Hmm?
we get the remainder. So we need to subtract the number with the remainder that we get.
Yes,
And
very
that
good.
number will be divisible.
So it is 3 ones are 3, 0, 7, 3 twos are 6, 1, 3, 3 fours are 12, and remainder is 1. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from this number. So 373 minus 1 is equal to 372. Now if you check with 3, it is divisible. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6, 1, 3 fours are 12. So 124 is the quotient. So 1 we have to subtract. And now we have to add something. So what we have to add? Now here 1 as remainder has to be subtracted. That we got to know. But now it is told what should be added.
You have to subtract 1 from 3 and the number which you get should be added.
What?
You have to subtract the divisor with the remainder. It's 3 minus 1.
Okay, so here 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 you have to add. But if I don't know, that is this number is not known to me. At that time, what you can do? Now suppose one simple trick is there. It is not needed a whole number should be added. It can be any integer you can add. So 373 minus 1 is there. So can I write like this? Can
Yes,
I
ma'am.
write the same equation as plus into minus 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means what should be added?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. That means remainder is 1. What is I have added? Negative of that remainder is added. Is it clear?
Yes,
so
ma'am.
the number to be added, number to be subtracted is remainder, and number to be added is minus of remainder. Is it clear? This is the same rule we have to use for polynomials. So we have to divide the polynomial fully. Divide px with gx and subtract. We have to subtract, to be subtracted. Now polynomial to be subtracted is equal to remainder polynomial. Whatever the remainder polynomial we will get, that has to be subtracted. And what to be added is the negative of remainder we have to add. It's clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now they have given the first thing, that is what should be added. There is a
And should we write
24th
this out of
question.
example?
Wait a second, I will give you time. I will show you because most of the students are still confused. So I will solve this and show you, then you will get to know. 2x to the power 4 minus 5x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3. It is written here what should be added, and we are dividing with x minus 2. Tanya, whatever the method you have done, that is also right. But this is in general for everything you can use it. So here it is 2x cube is the quotient. 2x to the power 4, we have to divide with x. We will get 2x cube as a quotient. So 2x to the power 4, 2x cube minus 2 is minus 4x cube. Subtract minus, this is plus, this get cancelled. Minus x cube plus 2x square minus x minus 3. So now what is the quotient? Aditya, what is the quotient now further? Aditya, what is the quotient now? Aditya, can you tell faster? Madhushri, can you tell? Yes, Madhushri, can you tell the quotient?
Ma'am, x square
Plus or minus?
plus
y plus it is, what is the sign with which you have to divide? Minus x cube you are dividing with x.
Yes, ma'am.
That means what is this one answer?
Ma'am, minus x square.
Minus x square. So quotient should be minus. Check
Mm,
always
x.
sign.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So minus x square into x is minus x cube. Minus x square into minus 2 is plus 2x square. Minus, this is plus, this is minus, this get cancelled. This and this get also cancelled. So minus x minus 3. Now here, what is the quotient next?
Minus x cube.
Minus x cube. With which you have to divide minus x by x. What is the answer?
Yeah, 0.
It's minus 1. So it is minus x plus 2. Minus, this is plus, this is minus, this get cancelled. Minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So remainder is minus 5.
Minus 5.
So what should be added? They are asking to add. Remainder is minus 5. So number to be added is, what is number to be added is? Negative of remainder.
Remainder, yeah.
That is minus of minus 5, which is equal to plus 5.
Plus 5.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then write down this and try to solve the 25th question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I joined late because of network problem.
Yeah, here this is only till this part you have this one joined. You were there from this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, here only. So earlier I have solved the doubts.
Okay.
Clear the doubts till 23rd question.
Okay.
19th, 20 and 21st question I solved.
Hmm. Ma'am, can you scroll a bit up?
Here only.
Hmm. Thank you, ma'am.
Can you say the 25th question?
Yes, what you told.
Ma'am, is
On 25th question.
25th question done.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am, have to do, ma'am.
is the
Yeah.
answer 2x plus
Okay.
9?
2x plus 9, right? Yeah, 25th question you don't have, sorry. What must be subtracted? From x to the power 4 plus 2x cube minus 2x square plus 4x plus 6, so that the result is exactly divisible by x square plus 2x minus 3.
Ma'am, this is exercise 2D only, no?
Yeah, 2D. Remaining 3 questions.
Ma'am, what is it? 6s to the power 50?
Huh?
What?
6 is equal to 0. Nothing here, nothing is there. That is something else.
Oh. Ma'am, should we factorize the divisor?
No, not needed. Directly divide it. Do the normal division.
Ma'am,
Yes.
is it 2x plus 9?
2x plus 9. Yes, right.
Ma'am, 2x plus 9.
2x plus 9 is the answer.
2x plus 9 should be subtracted.
Okay, done. Everyone completed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
The next is 26th question. Anyone has a doubt in this part? Should I need to solve? Please raise your hand if, as usual.
Mom, can
Rupam, you're not putting any effort, no? Any of the question? So first question is, Rupam?
X to the power, like x square.
So first is x to the power 4. Next one?
The next
Multiply, start
one,
multiplying this one faster. X square into x square is x4. X square into 2x is?
x square into 2x. It
So you
is
have to multiply this with everything, no?
yeah.
Are you sleeping?
No.
Then start faster. Tell faster.
I'll only solve, ma'am.
Tell faster right now. I'm asking you questions, so answer it.
Okay. So it is 2x cube.
Plus 2x cube. Then
Then it is minus 3x square.
do the subtraction.
Okay.
Just get cancelled. So it is, what's the answer?
Minus 5x.
This minus sign gone now. This is plus sign. We have changed the sign.
Okay. So it is plus 5x.
Plus 5. Minus 2 plus 3 is plus 5, right?
No. Wait, no. 2 plus 3. Okay, 1x square. Plus
Next quotient.
Next question is, ma'am, now what I have to do, ma'am? Can you just help?
This is first term. Divide with the first term.
Okay. So it should be x.
This term divide with this term.
Okay. So it should be plus. Okay.
Prove that x plus a is a factor of x to the power n plus a to the power n for any odd positive integer n. So n is an odd digit. So now tell me minus 1 to the power 2. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 1.
Plus minus.
Plus 1.
Plus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3.
Minus 1.
Minus 1 to the power 4.
Plus 1.
Minus 1 to the power 5.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. That means if there is an even number, even power is even, what's the answer you are getting?
Plus 1.
Positive. And when there is an odd, then
Negative.
negative. Now they have told what is x plus a is a factor of this we have to prove. So that means which value we have to substitute here? What is the value of x?
Minus a.
X is equal to minus a we have to substitute.
Yes.
So minus a to the power n plus a to the power n. Now n is odd. So what will be the answer?
Minus a.
Minus a to the power n. Nth power is n power, no? A to the power 4 is, a to the a square is a square. A cube is a cube. So that means we have to write that one. We cannot write only a. So a to the minus of a to the power n plus a to the power n. So both are the same terms with opposite sign. Answer is 0. So remainder is 0. So P of minus a is 0. So therefore x plus a is a factor. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is about the 2D. And now some NCRT, that's factorization. We have to start NCRT and factorization. 2 questions we have left. So write down this part and this NCRT 2 questions we have left that we have to finish. And then the identity part will start. You're able to see the board, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second, I'm copying the questions. Third exercise, still 3 parts we have done. Fourth exercise, only 3 questions we have done. 3 main. Now fourth main. Fourth and fifth main. Well, have they finished the chapter?
In school.
Yeah,
No, ma'am.
still going on.
My last exercise.
Ma'am, identity part.
Okay. So after completing this, we will start identity. So here we have to factorize now. So now all the parts of the factor theorem we have done. Now these are the 2 terms which we have to factorize now, which is not based on factor theorem. Normal factorization we have to do. So in the fourth question, we have to factorize. It is a trinomial, so we have to do by middle term splitting. You remember last year you have done?
But I'm not too confident in it.
Okay, fine. We'll go through. So first part. Now first I will tell you the method. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. It's not needed. Okay, fine. Leave this part. Equation is always written in this form, quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are any numbers and x is the variable. Now factorizing this, what we have to do, this middle term, we have to divide into 2 terms. Suppose that is p and q. Bx we have to write as px and qx. So we have to calculate PA, which we have to find out the value of P and Q. How to find out that? There is a 2 conditions. One condition, product of P and Q should be equal to product of AC. So first term and the last term. A is coefficient of x square and C is a constant term. So product of these 2 numbers should be equal to product of x square coefficient and the constant, that is A and C's coefficient value. Product of those 2 is AC. P and Q's product should be equal to AC. And the sum of P and Q is equal to the middle term, that is B. Okay. Now if we calculate P and Q, now which sign has to be given to the P and Q? That is more important. Now suppose if required product is positive, so you calculated product, you have multiplied A and C, you got the positive value. Then P and Q both have same sign. Both should have same sign. Now which sign? Whether it is because product of 2 numbers is positive when P and Q both are positive or negative, right? In that case, now which sign has to be given? So which is positive, either which is a positive or negative, that is decided by B. Sign of larger number is equal to sign of B. For example, suppose I will make a table, then only you will understand. What is the product needed? If product needed is positive and this B is positive, we are talking about only the sign values. If product is positive, required product is positive, value of B is positive, then both P and Q will be positive. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Then if product is positive, but the sign of B is negative, then both the numbers should have negative sign. Now product is negative and B is positive. Then one of the number is positive and second one should be negative, because then only the product you will get negative. Plus into minus is minus. This is minus, B is negative, then also one is positive, one is negative. Now in this case, the large sign of B, sign of larger number. Here we have to take care that is sign of larger number is equal to the sign of B. If the larger number is P, then the B should be positive, so P should be positive. If P is greater than Q, then if B is positive, then P will be positive. And in this case, if P is greater than Q, then P will be negative and Q will be positive. So larger number should have the sign of B. Is it clear? So this
Yes,
is by
ma'am.
practice only you will get it. But yeah, this is the one simple method so that you can understand it. So product of two terms which you have to find out, that is a product of x square coefficient and the constant coefficient. So here we have 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So we have to factorize it. So minus 7 we have to divide into two parts. Now those two P and Q, the product of PQ should be equal to, product of PQ is equal to
12x square.
AC.
AC. So what is A here? 12.
12x.
And what is C? 1.
1.
X we are not counting. We are only counting ABC. Don't consider right now X. So you need plus 12, right? Product is plus 12 into plus 1 is plus 12. Is it right? And now sum of two numbers is equal to P plus Q is equal to what is needed? Minus 7. So now product is positive and the B value,
Minus
product
3 and
is
minus 4.
positive and B value is negative. So what are the two numbers? Whose product is 12?
3 and
Minus
4.
3 and 3 and
Minus
4.
3 and minus 4.
6 and 2 and 1 and 12. These three are the possibilities are there. Now whose sum is 7? Check out. Only 3 and 4 is the sign is 7. Sum is 7. Now sign of the B is negative. So therefore both the terms should have negative sign.
Negative.
So it is 12x square minus 3x minus 4. It's in place of minus 7x. Now we have to write those two terms along with x plus 1. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now factorize these two separately. Here what is common?
3.
First two terms common is
3x. 3x.
3x. So what is in the bracket left?
4x.
4x.
4x minus
Minus 1.
1. Now here what we have to take common?
1.
1.
Minus 1, sorry. Minus 1.
It is minus 1 because 4 has minus sign, so minus 1. When we take minus 1 common, the sign of both the numbers will change. It was minus 4x will become plus 4x and now plus 1 will become minus 1. So it will be, now take the bracket common. What is left in the bracket? 3x minus 1. So these are the two factors. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let's
ma'am.
write down this part and then solve the remaining questions. We will try the remaining questions.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, then this question.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. The next question then. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. 2x square plus 7x plus 3. Now what is the product needed?
6.
Product is equal to 6. Sum is equal to
7.
7. So what are the two numbers?
6 and 1.
6 and 1.
6 and 1.
So 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3. Take common. 2x into bracket x plus 3 plus 1 into bracket x plus 3 x plus 3 into 2x plus 1. And now start working on this part because the same thing again in class 10th also you are continuing. Same middle term splitting, one exercise is on middle term splitting again. So do this very carefully because this will carry forward till 12th.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, done this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
try by yourself without telling me answer. Beginning, try the remaining two questions.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Both
Done,
done?
ma'am.
Both of
Yes.
them done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just want to see the fourth question.
3x square minus x minus 4. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So whoever completed? Yeah, whoever completed, yeah, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, for the third one, I got the factor as 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2.
Okay, right. Everyone got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
2x plus 3 and 3x minus 2. Everyone got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Who didn't get? Chandra, Tejasvi, Daphne, you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanif, you got it?
Ma'am,
You got the answer?
I didn't get ma'am.
Who was that?
Veda.
Why? What happened with that? Not this one, fifth one, the earlier one.
How to split 5x so that we
What
get
is the product needed?
36.
36. So products of 36? Factors of 36? If you don't get it, do this one. 2, 18, 2, 9, 3, 3. Right?
Yeah.
So now try to combine. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9.
Yeah.
So 9 and 4. Product is negative, so difference of two numbers should be the middle term. When product is positive, sum of two number is a middle term. And when product is negative, then the difference of two number is a middle term.
Yeah, okay.
Then
So
whoever
then
completed
answer is 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 2.
2x plus 3, you have done opposite sign. 9 is positive and 4 is negative.
Yes, ma'am.
You have done opposite sign. Then whoever completed, do this question. X square plus 11x plus 30.
I got the answer, ma'am.
Okay. Next. 5 more questions are there.
Ma'am, I got the answer. Ma'am, I got answer for sixth one.
Oh, I got the answer for seventh one.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, Yatin.
ma'am, I'm not getting eighth one, ma'am.
Eighth one you're not getting. So what you need? What is the product needed?
Ma'am, 150
Plus minus
minus.
minus 150 you need, right? So product is 150. So 150, how can you write as a product form? You know, whatever the method you know from that, tell me. 150 we have to write as a product of two numbers. What we can write?
Ma'am,
Simply by
75.
seeing. Simply by seeing.
2 into 75.
15 into 10.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
easier?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so now 15 into 10 you got. 15 and 10. Now here is product is negative, right? So that
Yes,
means
ma'am.
difference of two numbers should be the middle number.
Yes, ma'am.
So 15 and 10's difference is 9.
9. Okay,
Is
ma'am.
it right or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Difference is 9.
No, ma'am, 5.
It's 5, but we need 9. That means these two numbers won't work. Do further. 15 divide now.
3 and 5.
3 and 5. And keep this 10.
5 and 2. Okay, ma'am.
So it is, right now I will check. One by one, you have to keep on checking. 10 into 3, 30 and 5. Does it work?
No,
Difference
ma'am.
of 30 and 5 is 9?
No, ma'am.
It will not work. 10 into 5, 50 and
50.
3. Will it work?
No, ma'am.
No. Now further divide it. 2 into 5.
2 into 5.
Now combine these 5. Now check out possibilities. So it is 3 2s are 6 and 25 into 5, 25. Will it work?
6, 25. No, ma'am.
No, this is also will not work. Then again, what is needed? 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. No. Is it right? Check question is right or wrong. 19x. Sorry, it is 19, not 9. It's 19.
Okay, ma'am.
Now will it work?
Yes, ma'am. Now
5
it
into
will-
5
25.
and 3 2s are
6.
so 25 and 6's difference is 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Now
these
it
two are
will-
the numbers.
Yes.
Now which sign has to be given? Now it is product is minus. That means two numbers should have opposite sign.
Mm,
So which
ma'am,
number? So what is the sign should be now?
ma'am, plus 25 minus 6.
Plus 25 minus 6. Right. Because the larger number should have the sign of middle term.
Yes. Ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am, but it's negative minus 19.
No,
So it
it's
should be
plus
minus
19.
20.
It's plus 19.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
It's plus 19.
Ma'am, seventh one I have doubt, ma'am.
69. Is that right? Yeah, it's right. 13. Yes, right. It will work. 69 divisible by the same way. This is my trick I will tell always. Generally, everyone will tell you to factorize, but I don't get by factorization. So I will keep on doing by this. What are the method I told you, no? This is a trick I use it. And by that way, I will got it always faster. 69. It is divisible by
23 into 3, ma'am.
3 into 23. So now what is the product needed? Is minus 69. So that means difference of two numbers should be 20. Is this the number?
Yes.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am, this is.
These are the numbers. Always remember, if the product is positive, then sum of two numbers should be the middle number. And if the product is negative, then difference of two numbers should be the middle number.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you do the 8th question? Actually, I did the question. I got the wrong answer.
So two terms you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 25 and minus 6 and then try.
Ma'am, I did, but I didn't get it.
Why? What happened?
Ma'am, I got x and then bracket x plus 25, then minus 6, then bracket x plus 26.
How 26? 26.
Ma'am, I finished, ma'am.
150 divided by 6 is?
Ma'am, 25.
Then, how you got 26?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
So I'm sending you the questions based on this. So anyone has a RS, then they can do 3C exercise. I will send you the 3C exercise, which based on this middle term splitting. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, is the 8th question answer x minus 6 into x plus 25?
Yes, right. X minus 6 and x plus 25. Ninth one done?
Ma'am, doing.
Ma'am, is it x plus 14 into x minus 7?
Yes, right.
Okay.
X plus 14 and x 14 and 7.
I'm going to send that RS Agarwal which you told now.
Yeah, I will send you the full third exercise. Now third chapter we have to start. So I will send you all the pictures of third exercise. It is near about 7-8 exercises are there. 3C you're solving it. So I will send you, but not all 3C questions. There are some square root numbers are also there, leaving those. I will mention the question numbers. Okay. Fine. Everyone completed this 5 to 9 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we will start science.
Ma'am, so second chapter is not completed, no, ma'am?
NCRT second chapter not done. RS Agarwal second chapter done. RS Agarwal, the full chapter is divided into 2 chapters.
Okay.
In
ma'am.
RS Agarwal, NCRT is the second chapter, that is polynomial, in divided into 2 parts. RS
Okay.
Agarwal has second chapter and third chapter. 2 chapters are there. So second chapter of RS Agarwal we have done. Now we are starting with the third chapter.
Third chapter. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.